Introducing Fitcamx, the leader in OEM-style dashcams. With their focus on innovation and ease of use, Fitcamx has become the go-to choice for car owners looking to enhance their driving experience. Their plug-and-play design ensures easy installation without the need for any wiring, preserving the integrity of your vehicle and maintaining your warranty. Compatible with both iPhone and top Android phones, Fitcamx dashcams seamlessly integrate with your preferred device. What truly sets Fitcamx apart is their dedication to OEM aesthetics. Their dashcams feature a one-to-one restoration of the original rearview mirror back cover shape, ensuring they blend seamlessly into your car's interior without obstructing your view of the road. With a wide range of models covering over 8,000 car models, Fitcamx offers a solution for almost every vehicle on the market. Their wireless installation, pioneered in 2017, draws power from various sources like rain sensors and reading lights, making installation a breeze. Rest assured, Fitcamx products meet international safety standards, boasting comes to dashcams. Car owners can trust Fitcamx for unparalleled quality, seamless integration, and peace of mind on the road.